Hello everyone, today I'm gonna make a charcoal soap. I will use activated charcoal made of coconut shells. Activated charcoal creates a soap that has the ability to absorb excess oil and impurities from the skin. I crafted patterns on soap using two additional colors, orange and white. I made a swirl pattern in the soap. This is the tool used for creating patterns made of a thick electrical wire. It's better to have it a bit thicker at the bottom. I made it using an old water filter wire. Let's start making soap. Measure the lye solution according to the recipe. I've prepared a video on how to make the lye solution beforehand. Feel free to check it out. Add the caustic lye to the prepared oil. Today, I use coconut oil, sunflower oil, castor oil, and lard. Mix the ingredients until they blend well without separating into water and oil layers. Divide the mixture into 3 parts. The first part 20% is mixed with orange color. The second part, also 20%, is blended with white titanium dioxide. The third part, constituting 60%, is mixed with charcoal powder. Blend each part by hand or use a low-speed blender until the mixture achieves the medium trace. According to my experience, the mixture with mica color tends to thicken faster compared to the one with charcoal and white titanium dioxide. So, I usually take more time to thoroughly stir the charcoal mixture. When ready, pour it into mold. Start with the black color mixture. Pour the orange mixture into the mold, pouring 10 centimeters above the surface, allowing the orange color to sink in. Followed by the white mixture. This is how I made the pattern. Push the device in the middle, straight down to the bottom. Swirl 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Finish. Let's review it at a slower pace one more time. Let's draw some flower bouquets on the top surface. Cover the lid and keep it in the temperature-controlled container for 2 days. Two days later, the soap has solidified. Take it out of the mold and then cut it into bars.
along. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. Feel free to leave a comment as well.